Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at hydrocystomas. So let's kick it off right about now. Hydrocystomas, also known as cystadenomas, sudoriferous cysts, and Mull's gland cysts, are benign cystic tumors that are derived from either the eccrine or apocrine sweat gland. They tend to grow slowly and usually occur on the face or scalp, commonly affecting the eyelid. They affect both males and females and are more common in adults. Also, they're usually asymptomatic. Furthermore, apocrine hydrocystomas are not affected by temperature, whereas eccrine hydrocystomas can grow in size with heat exposure and grow smaller in cool temperatures. Oh yeah, and before I continue, please click that subscribe button for more medical videos. We discuss dermatology, surgery, and give a lot of fascinating case studies. Now let's continue. The exact cause of the hydrocystoma is unknown, but it is hypothesized that the eccrine hydrocystoma is due to the obstruction of the eccrine sweat gland, which causes the retention of secretions and the appearance of a dilated cystic structure. The apocrine hydrocystoma is believed to be an adenoma of the coil structure of the apocrine sweat gland. It is important to understand the two different types of sweat glands to distinguish between apocrine and eccrine hydrocystomas. Apocrine sweat glands are found only on certain areas of the body, such as the eyelids, armpits, areola, external ear, and the genital region. The ductal openings of the apocrine sweat gland are also more closely associated to the eyelashes compared to the eccrine sweat glands. Eccrine sweat glands are found distributed throughout the whole body. On physical examination, apocrine hydrocystomas are usually solitary, dome-shaped papules or nodules that range from flesh-colored to gray or blue. If you like our educational videos, please consider supporting us by checking out our store at www.m7amazon.com. Help us continue to make new videos for you every week.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.